In this tutorial video, I will show you how you can get the new Instagram Messenger update. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from How to Geek, and in today's guide video, I will show you the way on how you can actually get the latest Instagram Messenger update. But before we get started with this video, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. Now, if you are actually not aware, Instagram recently rolled out their new messages update, which means it's a new kind of messenger which you see on this. Now, keep in mind that this could also vary up in region to regions. It could not be available on some of the regions as it is a beta feature. But still, if you always want to stay constantly updated with the Instagram Messenger app, all you have to do is you have to exit out of this. Once you exit out of it, you can open up your App Store if you're on iPhone, and if you're on Android, just open up your Play Store. Once you open your device's respective Play Store, in the search box, you just need to type in Instagram. So just go ahead and then look for the Instagram application right over here. As you type in Instagram, you'll be able to see the Instagram app at the very top of the screen. In order to get the latest messenger feature, all you have to do is to make sure you have updated the Instagram app to the latest version. If you have updated it, you will see the open and uninstall button. If you have not updated it, you will likely be able to see the update button over here. So all you have to do is to make sure to update the Instagram app to the latest version, and hence in this way you will easily be able to get the latest Instagram Messenger update. Hope this video was helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.